Yeah, so right now I'm at Mc Conney Hardware and farm, and here's where we get most of the material for the construction and the building. Yeah, it's my brother-in-law business, and we get most of the material from here. You got all your hardware supplies, you got everything you could get here, one-stop shop, everything you think about. If you notice on this side, they got lumber, they got brick, they got trucks, they got deliveries, they got everything going on, you know. So that's where I'm at now. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take a ride into the dump site where we dump all the debris from the gutting of the building. Yeah, so we dump all our stuff from the building in here. So let me just show you. So as you know, as the bricks or brick, whatever, we load the truck and we come in here with it. Yeah. All here belongs to Mc Conney. You know, so yes. So the farm, this is part of the farm where you see the chicken pens and the sheep pen up there. Yeah. So right here is where we dump all the stuff over here. When I'm coming back, you're gonna see get a better view of it. So just turn around here. So we dump all the stuff on the left here. So you could notice now, here is some of the stuff here, right here, that's some of it. And all the rest is here. All the rest is here. So all this comes from the building, you know, the demolition of the building. Yeah, it's a lot of stuff. All that. And that is only 4 days work. 4 days work, all this stuff. Yeah, so I just drives in out on the dump site. Down here is, you call down here Richmond. Yeah, we also, the wood, all the lumber and stuff, we dump it way up there. I don't know, let me swing around see if you could see. Yeah, up here, those building up there is the Mc Conney house up there too. So all the wood and the lumber that we break off, we dump them up there. So they're gonna burn those. Yeah, they're gonna burn those. So yeah, so that's a little. Yes. So that's a little view of what's going on here. The construction site there. Yeah. This is a farmer coming in with all his sheep here. He's a body of man. No, I don't know this guy here, but yeah. I know him, but I don't know his name. If I turn on the right, I'm going into Richmond River. So that's just a short view of the dump site and Mc Conney Hardware supplies. Yeah. Okay, so keep tuned on the next video.